How do you feel to see your charts go from this look to this look? That is what I'm going to show you in this video. The feel you get from your MT5 chart can psychologically help improve your trading. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get this look if that is what you want. So let's get started. So when you have your charts looking like this and you want it to have the dark view mode, the first thing you're going to do is to come to this menu bar here. These three horizontal lines by the top left-hand corner of the chart. Then click on it. Then go to settings. Click on settings. Then you scroll down. There you will see choose theme. So you click on choose theme. Now it is on pure black auto mode. What you're going to do is you change it to pure black dark mode. So you click on dark mode, then apply. You can see that everything has turned black right now. So when you come back to your chart, you see how it looks. If you want the gridded lines taken out, then just tap on your chart, then come to the chart settings here, click on it. Unselect this show grid on the chart. So then you can go back using this arrow button here and you can see how beautiful your chart is. So that is how you can change your charts from the light view mode to the dark view mode. If you want to change it back again to the live view mode, you just go through the same process. You come to the menu bar here, you click on it, then you go to settings, you scroll down to choose theme, then select the pure black light or the pure black auto. So let me put it in auto, apply. Return back to our chart. We have it beautiful this way. So comment in the section which of the themes you like best, whether the light theme or the dark theme. I want to hear your opinion. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.